Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. Today we'll be designing in a hat box. On trend for flowers, these are imported by one of our graduates. Vivian is importing them for Floral Essence. And today we'll be working with these to create an amazing design. Mechanics are easy as long as you line it. You certainly don't want to get them wet. Lid comes off, can go underneath, giving you a beautiful gold treatment. Then you've got just a large area. Make sure that you have a liner. You can fill it with foam, set it right in, you're ready to go. I'll be working in the black one. You can see I have it already lined, filled with foam, and set. You can design in these as if they're just a vessel, have the flowers come up and over, or create a surprise package. Keep the flowers paved down low so that when you're done, you can set the lid back on, deliver, they open wondering what's inside, and it's a beautiful floral surprise. So that's what I'm going to do, is pave the base. So I have my foam in just very low. Then taking the flowers and thinking about the height, because I need to have it below the surface. So I've got to cut them very short, but not so short they're down in the very bottom. I want them up close, giving it a cut, and then placing it down into the foam, making sure it just disappears below the surface, but still some height. Now, using different materials, I've got Black Baccara Roses, Tess Garden Roses, the beautiful Bi-Colored Antique Carnations and Hellebores. When you pave, you still want your elements and principles. That's what makes it interesting. So thinking about a focal emphasis area and thinking about line as I place them. Working with different colors, different textures. You don't want to just go random, one at a time, boom, 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 polka dot. Instead, I create a pattern. So I take and add another carnation, keeping it low, thinking about the lid, and another. Continue. Creating a beautiful pave. And you can see a line begun. Then come back, adding in additional flowers. Maybe you want to break up the line a little bit, bringing it on around. Then coming back with the roses. Again, thinking about the height. You can even go back and check, setting the lid in place, but just think about where they are so that when the lid sets, it doesn't actually touch the flowers because you do not want to bruise the heads. You can see I'm almost complete. And I mentioned I had Tess, the garden rose. I'm going to use that as a focal emphasis. So bringing it in, letting it be a spotlight, but still keeping it low. So it adds that little bit of oomph right in the center, little off center, because I don't want anything perfectly centered. Then coming back, filling in the rest. Room for one more. Double checking, making sure. I think I need another carnation on this side. You don't want any of the liner to show. So if you have any peeking out, go back, add a bloom, make sure that you're up to the edges so that you don't have to worry. Test down a little bit more. Then the hellebore, they're icing on the cake. They're just that little extra special piece. Finding again where the focal emphasis would be, right around Tess, and sneaking it in. And maybe it's just a single bloom nestled in to give just that extra special touch. To finish, adding the lid, and then just a piece of ribbon. Slide it underneath, center, and then tie it, just like you would a shoestring, because you want them to easily be able to remove it. And it's ready for delivery. Wouldn't that be easy to deliver? Absolutely amazing when they open it to go, what's inside? And then you open, loosen it up, take off the lid, and the magic. It's so exciting when I see our graduates go out and begin their own businesses. So Vivian, I'm so proud of you with the floral essence. And all of you, I hope you have fun with hat boxes. You can see how fun it is and what a grand gift. For more creative inspiration, check out the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone. Give us a call at 503-223-8089. And now I would love to see what you create. We like to share and inspire, but I need you to share back. Take a photograph, post it on social media, and tag Foil Design Institute. That way I will see and everyone else can see what you create as you do something you love.